Hi, my name is Claes Dahlbjörn. I'm a Senior Product Manager for Amplification at Biamp. I'm here at InfoComm 2025 showing the Voltera D and the DMs. In this rack we have the 5 different SKUs of the Voltera D, and what's new now is that we're shipping 4800 watt products. So the 4800.4 the 4800.4 is there, and we have also with the M where we have extra DSP. We have the 4800.4M and the .2M, so the 2-channel and the 4-channel with extra DSP on board. The difference here is mainly that with the extra DSP we essentially have an extra Tessera 40X on board in addition to the speaker processing. Over here I'm showing the software. So with the Volteras, we can either run them with the VenueTune software or the Tessera software. So on the screen here we show the Tessera solution, but we also have the the VenueTune software, which is more for leisure installs with bigger systems where you want to do group control, etc. And then we're showing also Biamp Workplace, our new cloud platform for monitoring all our products in the cloud. Okay, that's it. Please have a look at biamp.com for more information. Thank you.